Today we're going to do a little craft room organization, and I'm going to use this cart to set up a little heat press station in this corner. Hey, I'm Sarah. You're watching Creative Ramblings. We share all kinds of videos here on this channel, including tutorials and machine reviews, and a lot of different tips for organizing your craft room and your craft supplies. Today, we are going to put together a heat press station using this cart right here. If you're a crafter, then you have tools and materials and machines that help you create your projects. You may have a dedicated craft room to put all of your things in, or you may use a corner of your home to store everything. If you are like most and you have a corner to store everything, a cart like this can be your friend. So I have a couple versions of these. I have my Cricut Maker 3 on a rolling cart. I'll link that video here for you to take a look at. It has a place for all of my tools, my easy press, all of my materials, and everything I need. And I like that it's on wheels because I can move it around back and forth wherever I need to create. If you do any kind of sublimation or heat press work at home, you probably have a lot of different tools and machines that go into those projects. So what I'm going to do is set this up for sublimation, printing, and pressing. And all of the materials I use to do that are going to fit on this cart. So let's talk about this cart for a little bit. This is made by a company called Vevor, and I really like them. I have all of my laser workbenches from Vevor. They're really, really sturdy. They have these steel frames to them. So if I set a heavy heat press on here, it's going to hold up really well. I like that this has an outlet in the back here. So I can plug my machines and my printer into it, and then it's going to go and it's going to plug directly into the wall. I love that it's on wheels. I can move it where I need to. If I want to push it into the corner, get it out of the way, I can, and then pull it back out again when I'm ready to craft. It's got these great shelves that pop up and are nice and sturdy, and then can fold back down if I'm not using them. Up on top here, I've got a nice big place to set a big automatic or manual press, and I've got some holes to store cords in that then lead down to that outlet. It has two fixed shelves on the bottom that I can store some things in, including my printer. And then I have this pull-out shelf here that we can use for working or folding or placing designs. There's a lot of different ways you can set this up, but I'm going to show you how I'm putting this all together. This cart holds everything I need to print and press sublimation items. I really like carts like this because I can take all of my items I need for one type of project, put it all together, and they're really functional, but I can pack it all up and move it out of the way when I'm done with this particular project. Couple things I really, really like about this that I want to point out. One, it's very sturdy. This is made by Vevor. I mentioned I have a number of their workbenches in my laser room. They have these metal frames and they just hold up really, really well. So I'm able to put a heavy heat press on here and do actual work and projects, and this isn't going to crumble on me or move all over the place. I like that it's on wheels. I can move it where I need it. These shelves that come up and down on the sides are really nice because they add extra workspace, but I can fold them down when I don't need them. Same with this pull-out drawer here. It just adds another workspace if I need it. Having the extra outlet in the back is also a really good function because both my heat press and my printer can plug into that outlet, and then I've just got it plugged into the wall over there. But again, I can unplug it from the wall and roll it away when I need it. A station like this is great if you are making shirts or tote bags at home. I wouldn't recommend this if you have a bigger operation where you are making a lot of pieces. You probably need something a little bit more permanent for that. But if you are making them for friends and family occasionally, this is a great way to store everything together. I have a lot more craft room organization videos and a couple videos on other carts like this because I do really like a good cart. I'm going to link those down in the description for you. You can go ahead and take a look. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here every week with new videos helping you move forward in your creative journey. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.